Okay, everybody, in this video, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna watch a movie that I wanted to watch for a long time. But now that I'm learning Kazakh, I decided this is a great time to watch it. First, the trailer, and give everybody my reaction to the video, the movie, the quality, the cinematography. I think everybody would be interested in that. Now, if I get up to about 500 likes for watching the trailer and giving my reaction, I will do the same for the full movie. Okay, so let's go ahead and play this and see how it goes.
Маңа қақадаш бәулер ерді, емді мана тұлғи. Ағыр, мамдар сақ.
I understood a little Kazakh. That's kind of cool.
Мана әртүче.
The outfits so far are really cool. What they're wearing, it seems extremely traditional and historical.
Sana mala qiyaltış, mana devir güç.
Sana olur sonuçta boşa giderim.
I love the shot of the bow on horseback. That's pretty sweet. Some of the slow frames, especially with the bow and arrow. Queen born to magnify the step. Nice. I like that actor that plays Cyrus. I've seen him in Kingdom of Heaven, a pretty good movie. I thought he fit Saladin, kind of his ethnic background. He kind of fit that. So playing Cyrus, I think that that's perfect for him. The actress that plays Tamiris, she seems amazing in this role. She's beautiful. The acting quality that she gave for the role, fantastic. So I hope that I get approximately 500 likes, and I will do a reaction for the entire film. I'm probably going to watch it no matter what. I know a little bit about Tamiris. I know that she, historically, she is the one that killed Cyrus. I know about the Saka tribe that she comes from, so this should be a fantastic watch, whether I get the 500 likes or not. So thanks, everybody.